Hi everyone, my name is Nurhuda binti Jaafar and my metric number is 280535. I am from Group 4 and here I will be present about my bank vision, mission and objective. First is my bank vision, which is to enhance Asia ambition with you and to be regional financial service leader. Second is my bank mission, which is to humanizing financial service throughout Asia. Third is my bank objective, and the first my bank objective is to be a leading in retail and commercial financial institution in ASEAN. Second, to be ASEAN leading in wholesale bank, which is to connecting in Asia. Third, to be a leading in ASEAN insurer by capitalizing on synergies between its regional banking footprint and ethical appetite. Fourth is my bank plans to continue distributing innovative client-centric in a global financial solution and building on its global leadership in Islamic finance. And the last objective is to be the top choice in digital banking.
Hi, my name is Nashuzani binti Muhammad Nizam and my metric number is 280598. So I will present the situation analysis of Maybank, which is PESEL and SWOT analysis. For the PESEL analysis, first, P stands for political. Maybank Malaysia was amongst the first local banks to offer an online banking service. The Malaysian government established a rule requiring banks that open online banking system to protect their security system. Maybank Malaysia has developed a secure connection in which customers can feel confident when transacting online. Second, E stands for economic. Economic factors such as economic growth, interest rates, and exchange rates are examples of PESEL analysis aspects. Malaysia, for example, has a thriving economy, and the main guideline that affects Maybank seems to be the interest rate. The majority of Malaysians go bankrupt as a result of paying high interest loans. Third, S stands for social. Maybank's retirement takaful is an Islamic insurance policy. Customers pay a monthly amount and the money is spent on stocks and bonds. The customer will then receive dividends but will not be able to obtain the money until the end of each year. This scheme could well assist Malaysians in making long-term plans. Next, T stands for technological. Technology is critical to manufacturing and can have an effect on company decision-making. Customers can easily perform any transaction using Maybank's online system as an example. They would save money and energy by not visiting Maybank and could resolve issues in a more efficient way. Then, L stands for legal. The legal factor is important because businesses must understand which activities are legal and which are not, as well as which are in accordance with government legislation. Maybank, for example, adheres to Malaysian government regulation by instituting security in its online banking system. This will protect customers from cyber warfare. Last, E stands for environmental. Environmental friendliness and sustainable development have become critical factors in the business world. Some banks also make significant investment in the generation of renewable energy. Maybank will be the first Malaysian bank to acquire this intangible energy commodity in order to promote renewable energy generation as a part of its sustainability goals. Now for the SWOT analysis. First, S stands for strength. Maybank's network of more than 400 branches offers a wide range of its diversified products and services. Maybank serves over 22 million customers, including consumer and business banking like treasury preparation, insurance, and asset management. As a result, it has contributed to the group 51 billion in yearly sales. Second, W stands for weaknesses. Maybank lacks an automated banking system with built-in security measures that would allow them to confirm their client accounts and details. The majority of Maybank's banking activities are centered in and around Singapore and Malaysia. its global penetration will be relatively low as a result. Third, O stands for opportunity. As Maybank Islamic Berhad, Maybank has the chance to grow in the worldwide Islamic financial market. It can use this to access global financial markets and raise money inexpensively and wisely. Last, which is T, stand for threats. The main rivals of Maybank include Public Bank, CIMB Bank, HSBC Bank, RHB Bank, and Citibank. The bank will be adversely affected by the current state of the global economy. This is due to the development of the internet has brought for online e-banking.
Hi, my name is Nurizati binti Abdul Rahim. I'm entry number 280741. So here I will touch about marketing objective and marketing strategy. So firstly, I will explain about marketing objective of Maybank. Marketing objective is a precise goals or target that I intend to provide not only broad guidance but also in specific activities. So there are three objectives about Maybank to make sure marketing objective to make sure they can get a target about their business. So firstly, objective of Maybank is to become progressively digital to evolve from being the first financial services provider. Maybank has set a marketing objective so they can be the first in providing financial service, which is but always get ready to providing customer in the technology or application that will be used in the future. Secondly, Maybank also wants to focus on building new value drivers, which is NVDs, to capture new growth opportunities. To meet this objective, Maybank needs to prepare the companies with a good management strategy and process to be a lead in enhancing the digital capabilities. So lastly, Maybank also wants to achieve sustainability strategy and prioritize, which is based on material matters. Maybank will focus on prioritizing impact-based solution and community empowerment. Moreover, Maybank also have improved community empowerment using Maybank Foundation and also have collaborated with external stakeholders to create a more solid framework and also raise internal awareness of sustainability. Next, we move to marketing strategy of Maybank. A business marketing strategy is its overall plan for reaching out to potential customers and getting them to buy its goods or services. The STP, segmentation, targeting, and positioning process is frequently referred to as the central aspect of marketing strategy. So firstly, market segmentation. Maybank has divided their market into different groups based on age, gender, salary, occupation, education, religion, race, and size of family. Age is a big factor because, for example, people between the ages of 45 and 70 can get Maybank insurance plan that covers all kinds of medical bills. Secondly, market targeting. In market targeting refers to the process of separating the target audience into groups and then creating marketing action to the target of segments. Marketing plans are created to contract the target group through the media channels where they receive the highest engagement. Digital channels and social media are currently the most effective, with the majority of the world's population using platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Lastly, market positioning. Market positioning strategy is to create a mental image of a product in the mind of the buyer by means of advertising, pricing, location, and goods. Maybank was customer focused. This company gave excellent hotline assistance. For example, Maybank Secure to You. So Maybank Secure to You replaces SMS TSC as the primary mode for Maybank to You bills payment. Secure to You is a safer and fastest technique that reduces SMS fraud and frees customers from relying on hotline assistance and SMS to complete banking operation. So that's all from me.
Hello everyone, I'm Gajendra Saravanan, metric number 277227. Now let's have a look on marketing mix. First of all, product strategy. In fact, Maybank is one of Malaysia's major banks. Maybank's marketing mix product collection consists of a wide ranging of banking products. Commercial banking, investment banking, and insurance are several of the crucial goods and services. As component of a product, it delivers debit card and credit cards, as well as ATM services, much like any other bank. Maybank provides savings account, deposits, loans, and other services to both individual and business customers. Next, pricing strategy. To keep ahead of the competition, Maybank employs a competitive pricing approach. Their pricing is defined by the product as well as market variations. Interest rates and prices are also impacted by the central banks and government policies. Most Maybank services are priced in accordance with the leading financial institutions in Malaysia and throughout the world. Besides, place and distribution strategy. Initially, financial services are distributed largely through the development of full service bank branches. The bank's exposure is further enhanced via its website, which offers of all of its services to both retail and corporate customers. Maybank has used advanced technology in the delivery of banking services such as ATM in accessible areas. Maybank to You offers online banking to meet the new expectation of customers and remain competitive, as well as mobile banking and digital banking. Last but not least, promotion strategy. Maybank advertises itself mostly through commercial advertising channels and digital promotions. To engage with its clients, it has established its own app and is active in putting ad material on social networking websites. The brand maintains its presence through TV commercials, outdoor advertising, print advertisement, and engagement with social media. That's all from me. Thank you.
In part of digital strategy is very important to be a leading in banking and financial industries. My best strategy in terms of digital is to continuous focus on digitalization as an essential generator in spite of noteworthy digital accomplishment including QR Pay and my bank trade dominating in local and global market service. Moreover, the other strategy is comparable to its 2020 digital bank of choice concept. This is because in the current economy, consumers are spoiled with options and it will be difficult to achieve highest level of consumer satisfaction. Next, my bank also derive influence from the rich essence of digital banking and financial technology firm in order to improve the digital banking experience. Other than that, adding artificial intelligence, which is AI, to the anomalous part detection for vehicle claim submission and moving branch based online transaction are two further digitization initiative. Last but not least, my bank also introduced a complete electronic Know Your Customer, which is KYC features that allows customer to sign up using a video conferencing that are embedded into the software.
Morning all, I'm Pavitra Shanmugam, metric number 270516. Today I'm talking about 4P to 4C. The first P or product is something or service that meets the needs of the target market. When deciding what the product will be, it must answer questions such as what problem it will solve, whether or not there is market for the product, or what the product component it will be. This includes everything that went to making the finishing products and service. But marketers must also think about who will buy the product and what those people want. The first C, customer solution and value, is about the product. Businesses sell goods, but people buy the value and solution to their problems. Maybank is already adopted the first C, which is what customers want and needs. Instead of simply manufacturing the product, they do the survey about what their consumers need and try to improvise their product based on what their customers want. Second is price and cost. Marketers need to figure out what price point will be acceptable to customers while still allowing the company to turn a profit. For Maybank, price is only a small segment of overall cost of buying a product for a customer. This is list and community activation. Familial activation is the setting and dispersion within the ancient 4-piece strategy. Items are made available in a peer-to-peer concept using 3D and internet entries so customers can get them anytime and have them delivered to their doorstep, unlike traditional purchasing. Maybank is already implementing this strategy with effective mobile presence. Customers spend a lot of time online as well as on their cell phones. Maybank allow easy transaction to be complete anywhere at any time. Convenience is important to make banking easy. Promotion to conversation. Maybank use social media, YouTube, commercial for their campaigns. Maybank use Instagram and Facebook to communicate with customers and attract new ones. Their YouTube advertising attract many new clients. That's all from me. Thank you.